On Christ the solid rock I stand, all other ground is sinking sand, all other ground is sinking sand. Oh, safe to the rock that is higher than I, my soul in its conflicts and sorrows would fly, so sinful, so weary, thine would I be. Thou blessed rock of ages, I'm hiding in thee, hiding in thee, oh, hiding in thee. Thou blessed rock of ages, I'm hiding in thee. Rock of ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure, safe from wrath and make me pure. Under his wings I am safely abiding, though the night deepens and tempests are wild, still I will trust him, I know he will keep me. He has redeemed me and I am his child. Under his wings, who from his love can sever? Under his wings my soul shall abide, safely abide forever. Abide with me, fast falls the eventide, the darkness deepens, Lord, with me abide. When